Alright, step 1. Get a square piece of paper, like this one. The crease in the center is not needed, you just need a square piece of paper. First step is to fold the paper in half long ways, like so. And the deeper and the more exact the fold, the better. And then you unfold it, like so, and fold it in half again, going that way, making making 4 equal squares within the paper. Okay. Second step is you're going to take the right top corner and put it to the bottom left down here. And we're going to fold it to make a triangle. Okay. Then you're going to unfold it again. You're going to flip it. And you are going to do that exact same thing. Take the right top corner and put it to the left bottom corner. And unfold. After you made that fold, you pick it up and hit the center so that the first triangle fold will become the dominant one, and flip it over. Okay, you'll notice that these 2 points will be pointing upwards, and these 2 will be lying almost flat. What you now will take these 2 and join them together at the bottom, allowing this to come on top, making a diamond shape. You are going to take this right corner and the left corner and bring them and fold them to the center, allowing these 2 edges to run parallel almost on this line right here. So here, and here. You will notice that it looks somewhat like an ice cream cone here. Now the next step is to take this top corner and fold it over the previous folds, aligning this line with the center of the 2 folds. Okay, so here, and fold it over, making a triangle. Okay, and unfold. You're going to unfold everything, bringing you back to the original diamond shape. Now, next step, you will notice that there is a flap at the bottom of your figure. Alright, you're going to take this flap and bring it up to the top of the shape. And you'll notice that these two corners, these two folds, will want to join into the center. Allow them to do that and poke out any unwanted bends that you see. And you can see that there's a lot of bends that come out you do not want. And you're going to want to align the folds along the line here. So, fold that. You can fold that there. Okay. Now, what we did on this side, we are now going to do the exact same thing on this side. Starting from the two ice cream cone folds. So the next step is you will notice these two flabs right here, separated from the back two. So you're going to take these two and put them together, as so, like a taco. Pick it up, and do the exact same thing to the other side. Taco. You're going to turn it, lie it flat, and press, making another cool looking shape right there. And you'll notice you should look for that there is a little gap between these two. Make sure the points are nice, everything is nice and flat. Okay, next step, you're going to take these two folds, you'll notice the flaps, the first layer of flaps, and bring it to the center, aligning this edge with that center line, like you did making the canoe folds. Make sure everything's nice and flat. And then you're going to flip it. You notice that we still have two folds for the bottom. We're going to flip it and do the exact same thing on this side. Alright, the next step is you're going to notice you're going to take this bottom point, as you see here, and bring it all the way up to the tip, top of it, as you see there, making a straight edge there, if you can see that, straight edge. Okay, then you will flip it over and take the point down here and do the exact same thing. Bring it up to the top. And you will look for the bottom to have a straight line right there. Okay? Make sure it's right in the center. Good fold. Alright. The next step is to take, like you did when you had the canoe folds, take the two flaps, bring them together, pick it up, bring the other two together like a taco, flip it over, give it a good press. Good press. Right. Just if there's any bends you don't want there, just kind of make everything a little bit sharper, pointed. Okay. Now this is where we formate the actual crane, the body, the wings, the head. It's where the stuff gets real. Alright, so first off, make sure that's flat. Then you take this flap and the back flap. You peel them away from each other, like you're peeling, let's say, a banana. And you pull that, you will notice that there's a little bubble right there, a little bubbled square. And when it's no bigger than your then about half your thumb, I want you to press it down so it can hold it. Okay? From there, you will get a pencil or a pen, any round, round cylindrical item, so you can curl the edges of your wings. Just bring them out a little bit so they look nice. You can curl them or leave them straight as much as you want. All your personal preference. Okay. Now, you'll notice that there's no head, there's just 2 points sticking up. That's okay. You can choose either one to be your head right now, and either one to be your tail. Preferably, the neater one, I like it to be the tail, just because the fold to make the head will kind of cover the dirtiness of the other one, or the unneatness. Now, you can take, by making the head about, I would say, half an inch down from the tip, you're going to take it, unfold it a little bit right there, and bend it forward. Okay? And then give it a press on the sides. Alright? Just make sure everything's flat. You have a head. And there you go, guys. You have your paper